guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaddie, and as you can see by the title, for this week we'll be doing a spend the week with me. So I had a lot of pretty exciting things happening and I just wanted to share. Actually, each of them, like each event, was supposed to be a separate video, but honestly I got caught up in the moment and I started the vlog but I didn't finish the vlog. So let's start off with where should I start? Alright, let's start off with Shanice and Shiloh photo shoot. So they recently turned 18 and both of them were born on the same day and they were best friends. It was pretty cute and we did a photo shoot for them at Hope Gardens. So I'll insert that footage right here. Oh, it not stop play yet? Alright, try again. Guys, it's currently after 12 and we have a 3 o'clock appointment. So let us see if we can speed this up.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely out.
Alright, guys. Well, let's spot here. Hey guys, it's a bonar. So mega watch it now.
Tonight, hey, 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 tonight, hey, 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 soul sister.
Alright guys, so we're finally ready. Guys, they setting up. They setting up. They setting up. They can't get the balloons up. Oh, it's a board shooter. It's a board shooter. This looks like a baby shower we have. Is it a boy or is it a girl? Comment down below. Oh, the session starts now, guys. The session. Oh, so where can they find you, sir?
Fresh Concepts JA, Instagram, all social media, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. Yeah?
Alright, link up. Dark. It's now after 6 and we are about to go to dinner. Alright, so that was their day. They enjoyed themselves. They loved how the pictures turned out. It was pretty fun, and I ended up making TikToks the whole time they were at Hope Gardens doing their photo shoots. So I didn't get to complete that vlog. So you just get a little snippet. And then Anika and I, along with Roger, we went, or should I say, I was gonna say we went to Dunn Falls, but that was the plan. That's where we were supposed to go. But guys, we filmed that didn't hurt me. Like, we filmed the intro and we got dressed and we were so excited. We go OCHO, we'll pick up everybody, and then what do you know? What happened? We never get to reach, but we still had fun. So I'll insert that footage of us going to OCHO, and to cheer up ourselves, we did the Give Me Something TikTok. Like, me even go show you the intro because we were, you gonna see how excited we were. Hey guys!
Yes, hey!
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaddie
And
Anika, and today we are going to
I don't know.
Not true. Alright, let's keep it real. Let's keep it real. We're supposed to be going to Dunn's River Falls, but currently we don't know where we're going. We're still in Kingston. We haven't left yet.
So we're going St. Anne.
Yeah, that's the parish for the day.
Today we're going to a beach where Auntie Trenton and
Zara. So we're going to meet up with some peeps in St. Anne, and then based on the time that we get there, we'll decide where we go. But we're gonna bring on with me regardless. So if we end up on the roadside, we nobody feel no way, you know? I just the vibe.
Yeah. Sometimes you just have to go in your car and drive.
Yes. And a big disclaimer to all
my regular travel buddies. You know about that cost me. So now they find a little trip here. Anika text me a while ago and say, hey, you want to go somewhere? I'm gonna say, okay, cool. I'm gonna just, get ready. So please, forgive me.
So yeah, we're currently at Lane Plaza. We're getting some food, and then we'll go pick up some more people, and then we head straight to OCHO. So if anything, I think nothing interesting will happen. So when we reach OCHO, we shall see you.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, so I know you think we're in OCHO, but we're not. Alright guys, so after story time. So after we left out, we ran into some mechanical difficulties. We were basically stuck on Mullines Road for the whole day. Like, we didn't get to leave Kingston until 4 p.m. and when we looked it up, it said that Dunn's River closed 3 p.m. on a Sunday, so couldn't get to go there. But we still went to an Airbnb. I don't remember the name right now, but I will insert the name of it right here down the bottom. Guys,
So like you must keep the change, brother.
I took him on some track.
Respect. You know, you got so many man take long to keep the chain, and I say, how can I fit in a single bad man?
That's why I'm doing track. Get rid of. We're finally in OCHO Rios!
Finally!
So everybody in the kitchen. Yeah, food is not eaten already.
Moody's! Now Moody's! Food is like a chicken noodles.
Top chef there.
I think she's using the water.
That's the boy who just spoke. Come here, man. Okay.
Today we're in Florida.
Mommy said you for the
And that's 42. I'm done. I'm not about
Heights in OCHO. We're just spending the day. But look at this amazing view, not them. But oh, this is the rooftop.
Yeah, I like it like how they've set it, so I would want that.
Yeah, in
You're going to get independent.
No, they wake me up. They were pulling out all day.
Excellent at teacher.
Learn from primary to go private.
How do I go privately? How do I go privately?
they're from a tip tour.
I jump
Oh, yeah, class baby.
that flying thing up there.
You know what kind of bird? Me, web tennis.
Not an eagle, but young.
Come here, I jump, girl.
That's an eagle.
My people think they're them, yeah. Hi guys, I really hope you're enjoying this vlog.
Go and watch them, never see me.
You're gonna do what? You try swimming. Anika, you know me, I forget that.
So far, Marie.
I want a picture, come here, come hold me.
I want your picture, no picture, go enjoy the water.
No, this look cute, Anika, you see? It look cute, no? No, yeah. You scam me my thumbnail. Alright, thanks. Yeah. Wee. Guys, this is very relaxing. Rajana, like, I don't want to take my ear so I can't swim. I'll show you so I'll swim. So,
Give me this.
we've had numerous swimming competitions. She knows this. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I can swim, but I can't stop. I can't swim, but I can't stop. So if the ship let me out of the ocean, I just
swim.
when my rest, my girl. I can't do the tread business. Guys, I believe that every Jamaican should know how to swim. Look how much water we have around me. Them not a cool TikTok. Hey, come in.
Let's take out a run.
Don't try to it.
I look like that. You see through your brown and me. And it is. Good. So guys, today is Sunday, February the 13th.
Pre-Valentine's Day. Oh my.
Yeah. Yes guys, so as I was saying, today is February 13th.
No, hold on. You did it wrong already.
And tomorrow is Valentine's Day.
When you're breathing,
Do you guys celebrate Valentine's though?
you make your belly get bigger. Not so.
I don't know.
Ready?
Like me, if somebody want to give me something, you're gonna reject it?
Make your belly
Get
bigger,
over.
right?
Somebody put out a comment. Yeah, go get our work. Anyway. So after this week is very hectic because it's 2 of our friends' birthday. So let me just give you the rundown. By the time this video come out, them birthday done already. So I can tell you what we have in store. Because I'm going to basically vlog throughout the week. So we're going to dinner at what the place name? Hopefully it is we don't know. But honestly we didn't want it to seem like everything done planned to the T. But we're not sure.
Just like today.
Yeah, just like today, guys. This vlog is all over the place. I apologize, but me I go post it because una cost me.
One of those weeks.
Yeah, una cost me some na post, and sometimes like you have a plan. Sometimes. That's fine. Work can wait. It's just a job. Nothing serious. Anika go do motherly duties.
Wait, what?
And if I bring the camera down there, the picnic them probably go with it. Shaddie, please.
Stand up.
Don't make them splash.
I can
Sit
stand up.
down.
Don't splash.
Never said Simon says. Alright, come again. Simon says stand up.
I'm gonna tell Ajani no splash.
Down.
If your foot splash.
Simon says.
Rising up like the phoenix suns. Pushed to the ground. Speaking my heart like it really is. 'Cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get. No one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get. Go, I get, go, I get, go, I get.
We just, in spite of everything not going well, we were still optimistic and we were still giving God thanks that all of us was okay and stuff like that. So yeah, that was OCHO. And then Ruth Ann's and Donnery's birthday.